Welcome to Beautiful Butts. We got the nicest pigs you ever seen, boy. If you guys are looking for some pigs, I'm gonna take you down to the farm now. Alright? It's gonna be nice. It's Dale's farm. Now I'm gonna tell you some things about these beautiful butts we got down at Dale's farm. We like to serve them up. Brown, tight, small, big. If you like your pigs in a blanket, we can do it that way. If you like a rump roast, we can make some pig rump roast for you, buddy. We got some special ones. If you ever looking to go balls deep in a squealing hog, I can't promise you that one, but you might spend a couple extra dollars. They say that if you use these special texturizers on these things, a VT2, you might be able to chop them up extra fine. So let me show you these pigs. Just give me one moment, all right? I'm trying to get there. I know we got a lot of inquiries on these things. We don't have just hogs, y'all. We got pretty peacocks. I like to call that one the mirror. Out here on this farm, they got more than pigs. But I'm only offering some sales on some pigs now. Peacock, the Vera, it's not for sale. Give me a minute, I'm getting there. Looks like a couple of Vera's buddies are out here. Down here on Dale's Double D's farm, we've come across. He's a nice one. This one, his nickname is Phil. He's hairy in all the right spots, you know. He's running about $2,000. He's extra nice whenever you cut him up with a Kime HH6. I prefer at least 6-inch minimum for the nice, tender, juicy cuts. Look at that booty. Just look at that booty. About to go round up a couple more pigs for y'all. You hold on. Y'all, I see Netta. She's running away from me. Let's go catch her. And Netta, she's a nice one too. All right, let's see. Come back here, girl. I'm gonna get you. Now, Netta looks a bit tired, but I promise y'all, she's feisty. She's real feisty. This one, I'd let her go for a couple grand. Well, OBO or best offer, it don't matter. Got that tail wagging. Now let me know if you guys see any pigs you guys are wanting to buy. I see Elizabeth out there. There's Val. Look at that Val. So this is Dale Double D's Farms, okay? Roar. Down here at Dale's Double D's Farms in beautiful Butts County, we also have some gigantic pushes too. Exotic. Now, if y'all need any service, y'all let me know.